Can't decide between the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum E10 and the Xiaomi S10 for your next robot vacuum? Both are solid choices, but there are a few key differences you should know. So let's dive into the details and help you pick the right one for your home. First off, let's talk about the suction power. So the Xiaomi S10 offers the 4000 PA of suction, making it great for deep cleaning both carpets and hard floors. On the other hand, the Xiaomi E10 is slightly less powerful with 2600 PA of suction, which is still strong but better suited for lighter cleaning tasks. Now on to navigation. The Xiaomi S10 comes with the LDS laser navigation, which allows it to map your home accurately and clean in a structured path. It's excellent for the larger or the more complex spaces. The E10, however, uses a gyroscope-based navigation system, a more basic setup that works well in smaller areas but lacks the precision of the laser mapping. Now, both the vacuums come with mopping capabilities, but the S10 has an edge with its intelligent water control system, ensuring that your floors don't get too wet during cleaning. The E10 offers a mopping function too, but it's a more standard system without advanced water control. Now, when it comes to the smart controls, both the vacuums can be operated with the help of the Xiaomi Home application that lets you schedule cleaning and monitor cleaning in the real time. As of the battery, the S10 offers up to 130 minutes of cleaning on a single charge, while the E10 gives you around 110 minutes. Not a huge difference, but worth noting. Now, let's talk about the pricing. So the E10 is more affordable option, offering good value for the basic cleaning needs. The Xiaomi S10 with its stronger suction, better navigation, and more advanced features comes at a higher price point, outgives you more for your money if you need those extras. So which one should you actually choose? If you need the stronger suction, advanced mapping, and better mopping control, you can go for the Xiaomi S10. But if you are looking for a more budget friendly option that gets the job done in smaller spaces, the E10 is a solid pick. You can also grab yours by using the best buying link in the down in the description. Thank you so much for watching.